In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an ebook in Canva. We'll start from the very beginning and finish with a polished file you can share or publish. Open Canva and use the search bar at the top. If you want a quick start, type ebook or ebook cover to see themed templates. If you prefer a completely blank canvas, search for use letter document or A4 document, depending on your preferred page size. Either route works. The key is choosing the format that matches your goals and audience. Next, choose a template that suits your topic and tone, or stick with a blank page if you want total control. Templates are helpful because many include coordinated fonts, colors, and multiple page layouts, giving your ebook a consistent look from the first page to the last. Begin customizing by adding your title and author name. Adjust the fonts and colors to match your brand or message. Pick one or two fonts for a clean hierarchy, one for headings and another for body text. And keep your color palette consistent throughout. Swap in images that fit your subject and ensure they complement, rather than overpower, your text. Use Canva's elements to elevate the design. You can upload your own photos or browse Canva's library for images, icons, and shapes. Frames are especially useful when you want images to take on a specific shape or fill a placeholder neatly. If items overlap, right-click and send an element to the back, or bring it forward. To control layering, align objects using Canva's guides so spacing looks even and professional. Now structure your content. Add dedicated chapter pages for clear breaks and build a table of contents that lists each section. Add page numbers at the end to avoid renumbering as you edit. For your main content, alternate between text, focused pages, and pages that pair text with images to keep readers engaged and avoid walls of text. Make the ebook skimmable. Use clear headings, short paragraphs, bullet points where appropriate, and simple calls to action so readers know exactly what to do next. Consistency in font sizes and spacing makes scanning easier and improves readability. Before exporting, review every page. Check that the flow makes sense. Headings match the table of contents and page numbers are accurate. Use Canva's preview to flip through your ebook like a reader would, and scan for typos, spacing issues, and contrast problems. When you are ready, click Share. Then download. Choose PDF print for a high-quality standard ebook, or pick PDF standard for a smaller file ideal for web use. Thanks for watching.